Okay, so here's the use case of internal board with data that only your users, company members can see, but you want to share it with external stakeholders, customers, partners, whatever. So here's what I did. So I have the internal board and I have the customer shared board, and here's the customer account. This is what they can see. In the internal board, I upload an item. I create an item, reunion, and then I upload a file from my computer. It's a photo. Okay. In the sharable board, I set up VLOOKUP to connect between the internal board columns to the sharable board columns. You see item ID, item name, and the file column. So now I go to item ID, which is my key column. I create create an item, I link it with the ID, and then it is linked to the sharable board. But this is me as a member in this organization. This is what I can see. So now I go to the guest view. So you see this is the guest, Joey, and he can see only this board. And the file is here ready for him to look at it. Yeah, so now you can share files and other data with VLOOKUP on shareable boards with members that are guests in your account. Thank you.